Deep pink. Let's draw a baby doll. First, draw a head with little ears. Black. Deep pink. Next, draw a funny little curl of hair. Wow! Now, draw a mouth for the baby doll so it can smile. What a happy baby you've drawn! Good! Draw a bib and put a heart on it. Black. Deep pink. Excellent! Now let's draw arms for the baby doll. First the right, and now the left. You draw so well. And then the left. What a lovely baby doll you've drawn. What? Ah, ah, yoo-hoo! Yoo.